I'm just putting the angle beads on now, which will finish the corners off. I've done one there, internals, the internal corner there. I'm putting this last external one on, and to hold it on while it glue sets, I'm going to put some little holes in and put some screws in, but then take the screws out when the glue's gone off. That'll be in the morning. Just putting about 4 down here. It'll hold it tight back while the glue goes off. I don't have to put it on both sides, because when I push that in and put a screw in, it will hold it firm enough so that edge there is tight up. And then in the morning, as I said, I'll take the screws out, and then there's no screws on show on these external angles, wood angles. I'm only using a small pilot drill so that the screw pulls in into the ply behind. There, put some glue on now, and then pull it back with the screws.